Today we're going to be making ham sliders. You can have them for breakfast, lunch, dinner, appetizer, you name it, you can do it. I've taken these rolls, they come in a pack. I've used this serrated knife and I've cut down the middle of it like this. Take the top off of it like this. That one. And we're going to put ham and cheese and poppy seed dressing goes on these things. So we're going to start layering it with ham. Our church, years ago, we had a coffee house, and I would cook sometimes there. I would make these, and they just seem to love them, especially when they're good and hot. And we're going to put sliced cheese. And we'll put the lid back on it. We're going to put this in the oven. Hey folks, we're back with these ham sliders. They were in the oven for about 12 minutes. And they sure do look good. Oh, they're just melted, and I'm going to cut them. Here they are. So I hope you enjoyed these, and I hope you'll try them. And they're just something fast. So I hope y'all have a good day and God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.